All right, this is a great question relating to if you're using Square and you're running multiple locations, you can use the Square and QuickBooks API to sync multiple locations between your Square account and your QuickBooks Online account. And so the situation would be here's all of the locations that I have in terms of a business. And the idea would be that each one of these locations would link directly with QuickBooks Online. Now, for several years now, actually, I would go back to 2015, 2016. Square has in QuickBooks have never offered support for multiple store locations in linking between Square and QuickBooks Online. So I don't anticipate that Square or QuickBooks are going to be fixing this issue anytime soon. So as a workaround, there's a great company called SHOGO. And they're not the cheapest company in the world, but from an API standpoint, in linking QuickBooks and Square, they actually do an incredible job in linking all of your locations at the most granular level that you can possibly imagine. We're going to show you that. And basically, the way that the SHOGO API works is it uses the journal entry method of linking Square, Online, and QuickBooks. And so you get a tremendous amount of detail and information that you can add relating to discounts, relating to petty cash transactions, relating to any type of sales transactions to QuickBooks Online. And by doing so, you can get incredibly detailed profit and loss statements from your business. And we can show you an example here. If I go to profit and loss by class, and we'll go ahead and we can see all of this data that you see here. We'll go ahead and we're gonna pull this up year to date here. So we're gonna go year to date. We'll put it up for last year. We opened some new stores. So if we pull this up for last year, what happens here is all of the sales data is from Square is entered into QuickBooks. All of this information, everything that you see here is entered in directly from Square via QuickBooks Online and SHOGO interface, including your discounts for every location. And this allows you, a lot of data here, this allows you to do incredibly detailed profit and loss statements in your QuickBooks account for everything that you've sold. And so I can look at my smoothies, I can look at my acai bowls, I can look at what discounts or promotions are yielding the biggest impact from a percentage of my business. And so any other API that you would be using is going to be very basic in general, and you're not going to be able to use that data to tell you anything of much of value about your business. And so SHOGO, again, if I go to charges like credit card tips, credit card processing fees, Square, anything, or how you manage your gift cards, it breaks everything down very, very granular. It's not cheap. It costs me about $40 per month per location. But last year, it saved me almost $6,000 in bookkeeping and accounting fees. And so back to your original questions, like, will it work for multiple stores? Don't even think that they're going to be fixing this anytime soon. Go with SHOGO, and the team there is fantastic, and you'll have a much better experience in managing multiple locations. Thank you.